Saturday of the open house, the Fort Wayne Road Historical Society. That's Gary Bensman on the throttle up there in the engineer seat. Very famous for his steam restoration. It's part of diversified rail. One of the #1 steam restorers in the nation, if not world. Also worked alongside Livio Dante Porta, who is basically, the one that picked up where a lot of the West left off on their steam development. Well, that was back in the 80s. Porta's been deceased since 2003, but Gary said Porta was as nice as he was as good at engineering, trains, and designing, and was a heck of a nice person. But that was well before my time into the foray into historic railroading. Looks like we got nice good combustion, gray smoke, caboose rides. Looks like they got a photo shoot later, or they're having a Jeep later for the photo shoot that we usually have for the members at twilight or dusk. And then we'll probably have a fireside. One of the perks of being a member, that and you get to ride in the cab. At least most of the time we have an open house, so give us members free rides. So it's one of the perks to consider if you decide to join. But there's the beast.
I thought you went to my